Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to do a vintage vanity tour. I recently got a new vintage vanity and I just wanted to show you all about it, and also since I recently got it I have put some things on it, but I also wanted to kind of reorganize and put some of my favorite things out on it. So I thought I would show you some of my favorite vintage items and along with the vanity. So let's go ahead and start the video. This is my new vanity. I did buy these lights on Amazon. They just have a sticky backside and then they attach to your mirror and you plug it into the wall and you can turn it on and off. It also has like a color option, which I wouldn't use as much, but I do use the bright white when I do my makeup, and it really helps to be able to see well so I can do my makeup at my vanity. This stool I bought with my last vanity just because it was a good deal and it was a nice sturdy stool, but the stool that I really want to get, I really want to find a pink velvet stool, or just something that would match well with the vanity that has like a vintage look to it. Start redoing all of the vanity. I did want to show you some of the things that I have on here, just some of the things that I use every day, but I did want to organize it a little more. You can see DC here in the background taking a nap. So I think first thing we should probably clean my brushes because it's been a while since I've cleaned them. So let's go ahead and do that now. Got all our brushes cleaned, and now we're gonna just put them back and then organize the rest of this vanity. I have some things stored over here that I had put away when I sold my last vanity, and then I kind of just, this is my jewelry cabinet. So I put a lot of my stuff in here, and I kind of want to look through here and take some of that out that I probably want to put out and show over here. And then another thing is I have this lace tablecloth runner, and I was wondering if I should put it across here. I don't know if it would get in my way more or if I'd rather just leave it here, but I couldn't decide if I wanted to put it here or just leave it on the jewelry cabinet. What do you guys think? Should I leave it there or put it on my vanity? So I'm just gonna go through here and get out the things that I want to see all the time and put them on my vanity. I finally finished everything. It took me a lot longer than I thought it was going to take because I couldn't decide where I wanted different things, and I don't know, just real life of figuring out, getting them organized. There's too many things that I like, so it's hard to figure out which ones I want to have out and not have it too cluttered. But this is how I ended up doing it. I'll just show you some of the things I have. I got this little box a while ago. It's just, I can hold different jewelry or different things in here. And then my mom got this Kleenex box cover, and they match perfectly. So she gave me this so that I could have them together and put them on my vanity. I just think they're really pretty with the teal and the iridescent diamonds on them. And then I did have two doilies here. If you saw when I was doing my organizing, and they are like the white doilies with a yellow border. But then I did find this doily that I really like because I love bluebirds, and I have this, and I wanted to put this on my vanity, so I couldn't do the double yellow ones anymore, so I just ended up doing this other white one over here. And then I have my Mason Pearson brush that I use every day. And then I have my glass flamingo. I like to always have her on my vanity because I love all the flamingo things. I got this just the other day. It's just like a little box, and the outside, I guess it's supposed to be maybe pink, but it might be faded to a brown. But it's just like a jewelry holder, I guess, because it has the little ring things on the side, and it says princess, but I thought it was really pretty with the pink velvet. So I just put some of my rings that I wear a lot and this new compact that I got. I got this recently, just last week on eBay. I thought it was really cute with, well, first of all, that it's a gold heart, and then that it has the flamingos on it, and I really liked that. So I decided to put it in here so I could display it with my other flamingo things. And I just have my flamingo brooch and some other brooches that I really like. And then my flamingo bobby pins here. So then moving over to this side, I just have my brushes that we cleaned. They were needing a good cleaning. And I have them in my lady head vase. And then here I just have this old container. I don't know what was originally in here. I don't think it really says, but I washed this and I put like my coconut oil in here, and I just use that as like a lotion. And then I have my hand mirror. When I'm doing my makeup, I do this when I'm doing like my eyeliner or just different things more up close that I need to see. So I have my handheld mirror here. And then I have this. It's like a vintage little, it's like a pick for your hair. It's got two little pink poodles on it. And then this is pink depression glass. It's the cherry blossom design, but it's supposed to be a coaster for some cups, but I have more coasters than I do, or I don't have enough cups for the coasters, so I thought that it would be pretty to just have on my vanity to, I don't know, put my rings when I'm done using them, or just different jewelry pieces, just to set them in there. And then, as I showed you this, I put this doily over here. I really wish I had double of these. I do have some bluebird embroidery patterns, so maybe I could try to duplicate this and make two matching bluebird little doilies or something to go on here. And then this is really cute. I got this year for Valentine's Day from my husband, Brent, and I just think it's so cute. It's just a little glass. I love birds. They've been one of my favorite things to get lately. So, and it matches the doily, I thought, and that's just another little thing to put trinkets or little jewelry in or something. And then I have this little container. I'm out of Q-tips right now, but that's what I am gonna put in here for just makeup or whatever I need to use them for. And I just have my flamingo scissors in there and tweezers. Then I have my pink depression. It's like a biscuit cookie jar, but I thought I would get more use out of it having it in here to keep my cotton rounds. I use these, I don't know, every day, day and night, for like putting on witch hazel or different things like that. So I thought that it would be pretty because it's pink and the glass, and just to fill up with my cotton rounds in there. If you want to see a quick example of like what's in my drawers, I'll show you nail supplies in here. See, I feel like I need to get something to organize this stuff better, but this is just kind of my overflow of makeup stuff. Foundation for like summertime, or concealer, waterproof mascara, eyelashes, just all my like overflow of makeup that I don't use every day but I still want to keep. And then over on the right hand drawers, the upper drawer, this is like all of my skincare stuff in here. And I like I said, I feel like I need to figure out a better way to organize all this stuff, but it's kind of just random things. I have my Nivea cream, and this is another one of those jars that it's an old jar, and it used to have like cold cream in it, but I washed it and then I just put like some lotion in there. And then I've got my Vaselines, and I use these a lot of different things for skincare. My micellar water, and I have my witch hazel, and I have my Olay cream. I use this day and night. This is for morning and night. I considered putting it out here because I do use it every day and it is pretty because it's pink anyways. So I don't know, I might do that. And all this stuff back here is kind of just like an overflow of like the micellar water. And I have some like more witch hazel back here. And I just have, what else? I have this Erno Laszlo cleansing bar, and then I have some masks over here and other skincare. I have some facial oil, it's almost gone. Another old jar filled with coconut oil, and then I just have some essential oils and clips. And then I just have this lotion for tanning. So I don't really think this is probably the best organization, but I don't really know how else to do it, so I'm probably going to see if I could get some organizers, or if you guys have any ideas for better organizing all this stuff, let me know. And then the last drawer, this is the bag that I keep all my daily makeup in. Not very pretty either, but I just have all my different makeup in here. And then I just pull out all that on the counter when I'm doing my makeup in the morning. So it's not just sitting out, I keep it in this drawer. Dry shampoo and some setting lotion. I will show you what I did over here because it kind of pertains to the vanity and like a continuation of it. So I just have my little necklace holder here. And then on here, just to hold rings, a little silver ring holder. And I have my lipstick holder with my Besame lipsticks. Then I have my favorite perfumes out here that I use. This one is my signature perfume that I love, the Versace Bright Crystal. And Chanel, a mini Versace, and then my special perfume, the Guerlain. Here I also have another, it's a little pink jewelry holder, but I just have it sitting open to show all my stuff. So I have my little, this is the Besame from the Sleeping Beauty line. And then I actually have another one of those little pink poodle combs. Some of my favorite brooches. And this is a box of old, like the bobby pins, and they're also that Flamingo brand. And they still sell this brand today, and I really want to order it. So here's all my stuff that I have displayed on here. And then inside my jewelry cabinet, you saw a little bit of it, but it's just kind of my jewelry and overflow of vanity things that I don't have displayed right now. I'm probably going to leave my vanity like this for a little bit and then change it up maybe with the seasons, because I do feel like it's kind of like a spring, fun look for spring. But I might do something a little different for summer or something later on. But this is what I like right now, and I'll leave it like this until I decide to change it up. You can see the kitties over there playing and sleeping on the bed. DC, and then Georgie is hiding behind this pillow. Georgie wanted to be in the video for the goodbye, but thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Bye, guys.